everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I just want to share with you guys a small video, something super special that I want to make for my son. But first and foremost, happy 2021. This is my first video of 2021, and I just wish everyone a great, wonderful new year full of blessings. May all your wishes, goals, and things you want to accomplish this year come true. So I want to show you guys, I got a little special gift for my son. My son will be turning 4 years old at the end of January. His birthday is January 28th, and he's going to be turning 4. But I wanted to do something special for him. If you guys have been following me, a lot of you guys know that I lost my dad last year, March 29th, 2020. My father passed away. And it was a tough year for me, and I just wanted to do something special for my son this year. Yes, he's gonna get toys, he's gonna get clothes, he's gonna get shoes, he's gonna get all material things, but I wanted to do something super special for him. Especially I wanted him to remember his grandfather. I wanted him to have like a little keepsake, just to have for the rest of his life. So what I did is I went to this store called Build-A-Bear. They have these little stores in like certain malls, not all malls, but the mall I went to, they had it. And then I said, you know what? Let me do something special for my son. He's turning 4. He's not really into plush toys or little bears or stuff like that, but I wanted him to have something just as a keepsake, for him to keep, you know. So what I did is I had, last year my dad sent me videos of him wishing my son a happy birthday, and I just have so many videos of my dad telling my son how much he loved him, and just talking with my son. So here at Build-A-Bear, you can record little messages. They have little audio things where you can record messages. And what I did is I went and I got the cutest, tiniest little bear. I got a small bear because, like I said, my son's not really into big bears. I didn't want something bulky. I just wanted something for him to have. And this little tiny bear has a message. And the message is, I combined 2 messages or videos that my dad sent me of audio, it's in Spanish, so I'll play it. So it's like, it's incredible to hear my dad talk. I haven't heard my dad's voice for almost a year, and I just wanted to do something super special for my son, and I wanted to share with you guys, since it's almost Valentine's Day and we want to do something special for our loved one. Last year was tough for a lot of people. We lost a lot of loved ones, and if you guys want to do something super special, it doesn't have to break the bank, and it doesn't have to be clothes, shoes, material things. It has to be something super special like I'm doing for my son. And I love this because he's gonna have this for the rest of his life, or for the rest of whatever this lasts. But it's such a beautiful gesture, and I wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully you guys get ideas like this and maybe want to share something like that with a loved one. And yeah, I just want to wish you guys a wonderful 2021, and